Hello everyone, I'm Big Solo and I'm one of the top leaders in the fastest investment platform SOLARIUM in the world, and I'm here to ask you one few questions. Have you heard about this company or this platform called SOLARIUM? If you've not heard about it, or maybe you heard about it but you did not pay close attention to, I'm here to let you know that it is the fastest platform that is making people millionaires. Check out some people's account and their ranks, and at this time I'm launching another 90 days challenge, and at the end of this 90 days the goal is every person who take this 90 days challenge serious is to go to make $2,000 on daily basis, yes, including weekends. Okay, so if you are a crypto friendly, two things that I want you to do: just click on the link in the video description, sign up and quickly activate your account and become a member of this 90 days challenge. If you want to know more, I leave another link in the video description. You can join my WhatsApp community where I'm going to train up to 1,000 people how they can make up to $500, $1,000, $2,000 on daily basis. You looking at me, I want you, your friends and your family and everybody around you to be part of this 90 days challenge. Come with us, let's build a successful community.